Hey families, so I'm going to show you really quickly our two strategies for multiplying in 4th grade. The first one we're going to talk about is called partial products, and then we will talk about the standard algorithm, which is the way that most of us learned how to multiply. Partial products is really great for our students who don't know their multiplication tables consistently. This leaves a little less room for error. They still need to learn those tables, but this will give them a little more space. So for the partial products method, we're really looking at place value here. And we have our students draw a long rectangular box. And because 4,581 is a 4-digit number, I'm going to split my box into 4 pieces. Then I'm going to write this number in expanded form. So 4,581 is the same as 4,000 plus 500 plus 80 plus 1. And we're going to multiply each of these by 4. And this just kind of breaks it apart so it's a little easier for our kids to visualize. So 4 times 4,000. If they don't know how to solve that, it's okay. They can do 4 times 4, that's 16. And then 4 times 4,000 is 16,000. 4 times 500 is 2,000. Or they could say 4 times 5 is 20. And they can tack on those 2 zeros to get their 2,000. 4 times 80, 4 times 8 is 32. And 10 groups of that is 320. And 4 times 1 is 4. Now, once they have these 4 pieces, all they need to do is add them up. So they will do 4,000. Oh, sorry. That's not what they're going to do at all. They're going to do 16,000 plus 2,000 plus 320 plus 4. It is so important here that our kids line up their ones place. If their handwriting is kind of messy and it's hard for them to line up their place value, you might want to get them some graph paper or some grid paper. That way they can line it up before they add. It'll make things a lot easier. So they just add on down. And their answer becomes 18,324. Now, that's not the way most of us learned how to multiply. It is a great way for our kids too, though. So let's review the standard algorithm, the way that we taught it in class this year. And this is a way that a lot of our kids are really familiar with. It's up to them which one they use, as long as they're using one of them to get the right answer. So we have 4,581 times 4. And this is nice and easy because we only have one digit at the bottom. So 1 times 4 is 4. 4 times 8 is 32, so we put down our 2. We're going to add that 3 up here. 5 times 4 is 20 plus 3. We'll add our 2. 4 times 4 is 16 plus 2 is 18. And my answer is 18,324. You can see whichever strategy our students choose to use, they're going to get the same answer. Both of these work really well. And this will help you kind of understand how to help your child as they're working through this multiplication unit. Thank you so much.